In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade and make photos pop in Photoshop. We're going to use a simple workflow inside Adobe Photoshop that helps bring more life, contrast, and color into an image without making it look over-edited. This is a great method if you want your photos to feel cleaner, richer, and more visually striking. First, go to Adobe Photoshop in your browser. Once the page loads, click on Sign In, then sign in using your preferred account. After you're logged in, you'll be taken into the Photoshop workspace, where you can start a new project. From there, click on the plus icon for New. This opens the options for bringing a file into Photoshop. Next, click Upload File, and then choose Upload from Computer. Select the photo you want to edit, and wait for it to load fully into the canvas. It's always a good idea to start with a clear, well-lit image, because color grading tends to work best when the original photo already has some detail to work with. Once your image is open, click on Adjust. This is where we'll make the photo pop. Start by choosing Curves. Here, you'll brighten the highlights and darken the shadows. This adjustment adds contrast and depth, which is one of the fastest ways to make a flat photo look more dynamic. Be subtle here. A gentle curve is usually enough to create a polished look while still keeping natural detail in the image. After that, move on to Vibrance. Click Vibrance, then increase the Vibrance slider. This is especially useful because Vibrance boosts the more muted colors first, instead of pushing every color too aggressively. It's a smart way to make the image feel more colorful, while keeping skin tones and natural areas from becoming too intense. If the image still needs a little more color, add a small amount of saturation. The key word here is small. Saturation affects all colors more evenly, so too much can make a photo look unnatural very quickly. A light touch will usually give you the extra pop you want. Next, click on Color Balance. This is where you can shape the mood of the image by adjusting the colors until you're happy with the overall look. For example, you can lean slightly warmer for a golden, inviting feel, or slightly cooler for a crisp, modern look. Make small adjustments and watch how the full image responds. By combining contrast from curves, color intensity from vibrance, a little saturation, and final tone shaping with color balance, you can create a photo that feels much more vibrant and professional. Take your time, make gradual changes, and stop once the image looks balanced and visually pleasing.